The missing lunchbox. It was Monday morning, and Emma was getting ready for school. She packed her books, put a water bottle in her bag, and carefully placed her favorite lunchbox. Inside, the lunchbox was blue with small yellow stars. Her mother had given it to her on her birthday, so Emma liked it very much. At school, Emma had a busy morning. She had English, science, and mathematics classes. When the lunch bell rang, she happily opened her school bag. But her lunchbox was missing. Emma looked inside her bag again. "Where is my lunchbox?" she wondered. She checked every pocket, but it was not there. Her friend Mia came over. "What happened, Emma?" she asked. "My lunchbox is missing," Emma replied. "Maybe you left it at home," Mia said. Emma shook her head. "No, I remember putting it in my bag this morning." The two girls started looking around the classroom. They checked under the desks and inside the cupboards. They even looked near the teacher's table, but they could not find it. Then Emma remembered something. "I had my bag in the school library before class," she said. Mia smiled. "Let's check the library." They quickly walked to the library. Emma looked around the tables and chairs. Suddenly, she saw something blue under a chair. "My lunchbox," she shouted happily. She picked it up and opened it. But there was a problem. The lunchbox was empty. Emma looked surprised. "My sandwiches? Gone." Mia laughed. Maybe someone was very hungry. Just then, the librarian, Mrs. Green, walked toward them. "Are you looking for this?" she asked. She was holding a small paper bag. Emma looked inside. Her sandwich was there. "Oh, where did you find it?" Emma asked. Mrs. Green smiled. "I found your lunchbox on the library table this morning. The lid was open, and your sandwich had fallen out. I put the sandwich in this bag so it would stay clean." Emma felt relieved. "Thank you so much, Mrs. Green." Then Emma suddenly remembered what had happened. In the morning, she had opened her lunch box in the library because she wanted to check her sandwich. She had forgotten to put the lunchbox back into her school bag. So, the lunchbox was not really missing, Mia said. Emma laughed. "Yes, I just forgot where I left it." They returned to the classroom and enjoyed their lunch together. From that day on, Emma always checked her desk and the library table before leaving. She learned a simple lesson. Sometimes the things we think are missing are actually somewhere we have already been, and sometimes all we need is a little patience to find them. Thanks for watching.